Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So in the classes, we have to discuss about class, objects, inheritance. So these are all we have to discuss. So now I have to define the concept of encapsulation. So encapsulation is nothing but defining the class and object in attributes and methods in a single class. So if I have to create the class name as car, so this is my class name car. So in this inside the class I need to define my attributes. So this is the attribute and this is my method. So all the attributes and methods are incorporated in a single class. So this is the encapsulation. So the attributes and the methods are encapsulated in a single form. So this is the encapsulation. So I have created the class name as car. So in this I have to define the attributes and methods. So class name, my class name is class car. So in this class I have to define the what are all the attributes and methods which I need to include. So I have to include string is the data type. So string is the data type. So I have to include str color. So this is my attribute and string str model. So this is the attributes. So in these attributes, so this is the attribute which we have to include in a class name car. So then next I have to define my methods. So public void gear change. So this is my method. So in this method I have to include either a parameter or if I need I can add the parameters. If it is not needed we have to define it's an empty. So in this I have to give the definition for this. So system.out.println. So in this gear change into plus gear. So in this I have to give the value in the inside the parameters. System.out.println. So in this I have to give the gear changed into. So in this will be in a double quotes. It will be printed as it is. So the next one is gear plus gear. So this value will be incorporated inside the method. So into gear. So the value data type is integer. So gear changed into gear. This value will be passed in the main class. So gear changed into gear in a car plus str model. So this is my method which has to be defined. So I have to close my method. Then I need to define my main class public. So my main class is public class entry. So in this public static void main string args. So in this I have to create an object for the particular class. So my class name is car. So object car obj car equal to new car. So this is my object creation for this particular. So in this object car dot. So I have to give the I need to call my method. So object car dot my method name gear change. So in this method I have to define my parameters into gear. So I have to give the value as 3. So this is my encapsulation process. So inside the class I have to define the attributes and methods. So after that I create a main class. So in this main class I have to create an object for the particular class. So in this I have to use calling the method using the object part. So my output is, so when you have to call this method, so this will be call this value. So here changed into so the gear value we have to be passed as 3 in a car. So the str model. So in this str model we not created or initialized any value in this str model. So this value will be printed as a null. So to replace the value for this, we have to use some another concept to define the values.